Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Sharnice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's video I decided to do a clean with me plus decorate for fall and Halloween. But if you would like to see what I do in this video, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So this is just a rundown of everything that I have to do. I'm just showing you a before. And this is the kitchen, and I have to mop, sweep floors, wash some dishes, wipe counters off, throw stuff away. Okay, so now we're entering the living room. I have to fold some clothes. I need to wash more clothes. I need to put some clothes away. I need to sweep in here, mop in here. I need to put stuff back to where they was at, wipe my TV and stuff down. And now we're entering inside of my room, and I just got to straighten up in here, fix my makeup desk, put stuff back to where it was at. And I also have to clean my bathroom real good. I need to wipe my counters off, clean the stool, clean the tub, and sweep in there. So now I'm just in my room, just trying to figure out what I need to throw away, everything that need to go back into its home so I can put stuff back to where it needs to be. So now I'm just about to light this Glade Cashmere Woods candle, and I got it from Walmart. So now I'm just taking everything out of the shower so I can spray it down so I can get ready to clean it. And I will be using my Lysol Power Foam bathroom cleaner, and I also will be using the Clorox bathroom cleaner. I also poured some Clorox and a little pine salt in my own water. So now I'm just taking everything off of my counter so I can get ready to wipe it down and spray some Windex stuff, not Windex, but spray away on my mirrors so I can clean them too. So now that I finished the bathroom, I'm in the kitchen now, washing up some dishes, drying them off. Guys, I just got back from the grocery store, and I'm just gonna give you a little haul of what I got. I got me some tea, which is the it has 5 flavors, and these are all the flavors. I got some wing sauce, sriracha, Spitfire sriracha wings and thing sauce. Got some Rotel, mild and hot. I got some ground beef. I got 4 packs of those. I got some thin spaghetti. I got some taco seasoning. I got some more wing sauce, lemon pepper on wing sauce. I got some stir fried rice. I got some more tea, the sleepy time. I got some shells, some taco shells. I got me some crackers for my chicken salad. And I just picked this up. I love Cinnabon, and I haven't tried this before, so I'm gonna try this and see how it is. I also got some birthday cake waffles, so I'm gonna try those. I haven't tried these before. I got some relish for my chicken salad. I got some chicken breast fillets, and I got some turkey breakfast patties. I got some celery, some Reese's, and this is my my rotisserie chicken for my chicken salad. I got some Texas toast bread because I love the thick bread, especially like when I do like my butter toast. I bought some freezer bags, some hot dog buns. Got me some steak. I got another one, 2-pack. Got another one. Got some chicken. I got 2 packs of those. I got me some K-cups for my coffee in the mornings. And I got these 2 times spicy noodles. I've been seeing the sauce people use, so I want to try the noodles. And I got some beef hot dogs. And also got me some paper towels. So I put some Hulu on, and I went to the Hulu wing, and I picked Scream 4. Okay, you guys, so now I'm about to start the decoration part. I have picked up a few more extras. So this video is basically gonna be like fall / Halloween because I'm so late into now putting my fall stuff. I probably will not be putting up all my fall stuff, but I know I purchased this Beware from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I showed this in the haul. I don't think I did. I got this from Dollar General. I got this from Dollar General. I got this little cup. I got 2 of these little pumpkins. I got like this creepy cloth thing that I'm gonna put on my little coffee table. I also got some garland, and that's what it looks like. I also purchased some little decor pumpkins. What else? You already seen that. And this was new too. And I think I got something else, but I will have to show you as I'm getting the video. So that's all of the decor that I'm going to place around the house. Scream 4 playing. I'm about to light me some candles and get started decorating. Also, I already have put these little pieces together. That was part of my fall stuff, so I'm just gonna keep that there. And yeah, I'll be right back. So a few times out this video, I was really unsure where I wanted to place stuff. And as you can see, you'll see me like standing back looking at it and moving stuff around. I have changed so much stuff around, and I just kept on playing with it until I feel like I like where I placed everything at. And y'all, please excuse my hair. I'm transitioning over to locks, and it's time for me a retwist. So that's why my hair looks like how it's looking. So please ignore my hair. Well, you guys, this wraps up the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything I have purchased in this video, it will be in the description box down below. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that post notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.